Hey, it's another day with May, and today we are making chocolate-covered bacon. Yes, I said it, chocolate-covered bacon. And for your ingredients, you will need a tablespoon of avocado oil, or you can use coconut oil, some bacon, and a block of your favorite healthy chocolate, or you can use dark chocolate, which I guess technically is a healthy chocolate. Yeah, use whatever chocolate. All right, let's get cooking. First things first, you want to cook your bacon because raw bacon and chocolate does not sound very appealing. So preheat your oven to about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. Now, grab your bacon and throw it onto your tray. Okay, now that my bacon is nice and crispy, it took about 25 minutes in the oven, I'm going to heat up my chocolate while that cools down. So, for that, grab your chocolate, take your avocado or coconut oil, and pour in about a tablespoon worth. There you go. And mix it all through, then whack it in the microwave for about 30 seconds until it's really all melted through. Once your chocolate is melted, that is where the fun begins. So I'm going to take my chocolate and drizzle it onto my bacon with my spoon. All right, and they're done. So I just put them in the freezer to harden up a little bit, make it quicker, but you can also just leave them at room temperature. Let's give them a try. You have that crispiness of the bacon, but also that savory taste from the salt in the bacon, and then you have that creamy chocolate, and it's just a perfect combination. This is definitely a recipe that you need to try if you want a quick, healthy snack. If you're craving chocolate especially. Anyway, this chocolate's got me going crazy. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.